Okay, welcome to module 4, and what we'll be doing is as you can see, we're on the website, course website. We'll go into module 4 and we'll be doing the workshop material in a recorded fashion. So here we go, module 4, we're in the workshop material here. So let's just set up first, and what I'm doing here is the Excel portion of the module. So I'm going to download all the files, and you guys can do this as well. I'll just download here so you see what I'm doing, but you can pause the video afterwards and you know, get yourself ready, put all the files into a particular folder ready to do the workshop. So don't forget, you can pause the video anytime and then follow what I'm doing here. So I'm downloading all the files that are needed for the workshop, one at a time. There we go. Alright. You skip forward also, obviously, on the video, but yeah, I'm just going to go to the folder where everything's been downloaded, and I'm going to transfer all these files into a folder that I can use for the rest of the workshop in a minute. So you can pause and then get yourself ready, open the PDF and open the first Excel file ready to do the workshop. See you guys in a minute.